here's my way to crimping it. I like to get it a little bit tight, just enough so it can grip. And then I grab my wire. I stuff it right in there. Hold on. Nice and neat. Bam. Oh dang, I should have put the flash on, but yeah, I mean that's how it goes. It goes straight in. Let me crimp it real quick. Alright, do a flash on this time. Let's see. Show crimping it. And then release it. And show you guys the work. Of course, it's gonna be a heat shrink over it, so it's gonna look real nice. Boom. Just like that. Alright. And we got the rest to go. So I'll get you another video when I finish everything. Well, there's the finished product. Again, the heat gun savior for the, instead of getting a torch, it makes it look way cleaner. You're gonna burn it or anything. And the crimper, that's so you guys can get the name of it. You guys decide to order. It comes with that box right there. And then I mean, look at that. She looks clean. Alright, well, let's keep it going. Keep you guys updated for the rest.